Welcome to Practice Easy English. Super useful vocabulary words for daily life. Ban. Prohibit. Why did they ban smoking in the park? They want to prohibit smoking to improve air quality. Bear. Endure, tolerate. How do you bear the long hours at work? I endure it because I love my job. Beat. Defeat. Did they beat the opposing team? Yes, they managed to defeat them in the last minute. Flex. Bend. Can you flex the wire to shape it? Sure, I can bend it to the desired form. Bind. Tie. Can you bind the papers together? Yes, I'll tie them with a ribbon. Blame. Accuse. Why do you always blame me for everything? I don't mean to accuse you, it's just frustrating. Bored. Get on. When should we board the train? We can get on in about 10 minutes. Borrow. Loan. Can I borrow your book for a week? Sure, I can loan it to you. Bother. Disturb. I hope I didn't bother you with my question. No, you didn't disturb me at all. Breathe. Inhale and exhale. How do you breathe during yoga? You need to inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Build. Construct. They plan to build a new library in the town. It's great that they want to construct a new facility. Bury. Put or hide underground. Where did they bury the treasure box? They hid it in the school garden. Conclude. Wrap up, finish. He concluded his speech with a famous quote. He wrapped up his speech with a famous quote. Capture. Catch. Did the police capture the culprits? Yes, they caught them. Chase. Run after. Why are you chasing that man? I am running after him because he has snatched my bag. Claim. Assert. Why did you claim that idea as yours? I didn't mean to assert it as mine. It was a misunderstanding. Clear. Clarify. Can you clear up the confusion about the new policy? Certainly, I'll clarify it in the upcoming meeting. Collapse. Fall down. Why did the building collapse? It fell down due to structural issues. Combine. Merge. Let's combine the two reports for a comprehensive analysis. Good idea. We can merge them to get a complete overview. Communicate. Convey. How do you effectively communicate your ideas? I try to convey them clearly and use examples. Compare. Contrast. Can you compare these two products for me? Sure, I'll contrast their features to help you decide. Compete. Contend. Why do you always want to compete with others? I don't intend to contend, I just enjoy challenges. Compose. Write, create. I can compose a beautiful poem. So, you mean you can write a beautiful poem? Confirm. Verify. Can you confirm if the meeting is at 3 p.m.? I'll verify the schedule and let you know. Confront. Face. Have you ever confronted a challenging time? Yes, I've faced a tough time. Believe. Trust. Why do you believe in their plan? I trust their expertise and judgment. Belong to. Owned by. Whose book is this? It belongs to me. I just bought it last week.